Hello there. I'm going to show you two methods on how to set a live wallpaper on your Windows 11 desktop, PC, or laptop. Now, the first method, which is free, involves opening up your search and typing Microsoft Store. At the very top, click on the search bar and type in Lively Wallpaper. And here you want to select Lively Wallpaper, which should be on the top left, and then just click the Get button to download. Once that's downloaded, click Open. So this is super easy to use. All you need to do is left click on any of these and it will change your desktop wallpaper. So as an example, let's use this one. I've clicked it. We'll close this. And as you can see, it's right here. And then I'll click on a few different ones just to show you how simple this is and how they look. You can even have one that has the time and the date. Now, for the second method, which is my personal favorite, and you'll see it often in every video on this channel, does involve a paid app. It's a one-time only purchase. I have no affiliation with it whatsoever, but the amount of customization is quite incredible. So all you need to do is open up Steam and search for Wallpaper Engine. For me, it was less than £5, I believe. And then once you've installed it, just click launch. There's quite a few options when you first open it. Obviously, I've used it previously as my background is from here. But in the top left, you can stretch the wallpaper. I have more than one monitor, which you obviously don't see from the recording. So you can stretch it so it perfectly goes across both monitors, or you can choose one monitor here. And essentially all you do is you click the Discover tab to start browsing, and they have loads of different categories, really something for everyone. I'm a big fan of sci-fi wallpapers, so just to show, we'll click on this and then it's installed. As you can see, there's slight movement. Some of the wallpapers actually have sound, so when you're looking at the desktop, it has more of an ambient effect. But if we don't want this, we open up Wallpaper Engine again. And I'm quite a big Star Wars fan myself, so I'm going to double click on this one, which I've never downloaded before. So you have to wait for that to download. And then as you can hear, this one actually has audio, which is pretty cool. But if you don't want the audio, we can go back to Wallpaper Engine again and put volume to 0. You can also change the playback rate here. So if the animations are a little bit too fast, a little bit too slow, you can change it here. And that's all there is to it. Really, my best advice would be to look through the app, play around with settings, find something that you like. Again, I am not affiliated with Wallpaper Engine, but I think it's super cool and can make for a very interesting wallpaper effect. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.